Hello world of YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. McWeenie. It's your B Metchy Like Let You Here with a quick video of It's Toys and Things. And today's video is just going to be a little hairnet removal of the newest doll I got. And I believe in the last video or the video before, I did another American Girl haul video, and the doll that I got at that time was the 2018 Girl of the Year doll, Luciana Vega. And this is my first time ever literally got her totally out of the box with her straps and all that. She's 100% out of the box, and she did come with two little accessories. At the time I didn't know what they were. I had to look them up. But yeah, they were two necklaces. She has a red star bead here on a cord. The cord is not adjustable, just kind of long, and a silver holographic choker that you put on. So I thought it was super cute for her to have these couple little necklaces that came with her. So yeah, so I realized I really haven't filmed video of me taking off the hairnet of these dolls, which is kind of supposed to be like the thing that everyone loves to do with their American Girl dolls when they show them, you know, I'm going to take off the hairnet, and that's like, it's satisfying to a lot of people. So I figured, you know, I'll take a hairnet on camera for you guys to see, and maybe you guys will be satisfied too watching. Forgive the mess in the background. I am in the middle of organizing and redecorating and doing the whole thing in my house, so it's kind of messy. Hopefully we'll be done that soon, and then I can actually give you guys a little tour of how everything was going to look. But yes, so forgive the mess, but yes, back to the doll. As most of you know, she does have a purple streak in her hair, which I'll get to see here in a second. So let's go ahead and take off her hairnet. So a lot of people like to go and grab from the front. I'm not going to do that. I'm actually going to grab from the knot. Like, there's a knot back here. It's like the hairnet is in a knot, and I am going to grab that, and then I am going to open or take it off that way instead of peeling it from the front and scratching at her forehead. So yeah, there we go. The hairnet is off. There it is. Totally off. So let's see what she looks like. I love her face already. And there's that purple hair. Really pretty. Didn't think it was going to be that bright. Very pretty purple. Okay guys, my video unexpectedly cut off, so we're just going to finish this video with a picture and a voiceover. So what I was saying about her purple streak was that the purple streak is actually really bright. I wasn't expecting it to be that bright, but it is actually very pretty. It's not very easy to see within her hair. You have to, like, you know, kind of swish it around or whatever to really get a good look at it, but it really is pretty. And I also want to say, I thought her hair was like black with that purple streak, but it's actually a pretty dark brown. The kind of very realistic, the brown itself. And I'm really liking the shoulder length style, straight style. Very easy maintenance, low maintenance hair on a doll, compared to my other ones who have long hair that, you know, can tangle pretty easily, and I have to do pretty upkeep on it. But this doll very easy to maintain with her hair, so definitely pleased. Overall, I would definitely give this doll probably like a 99% out of 100. I really love her. I love her face mold. I love her hair. I like, you know, her outfit, her boots, her little accessories. The two necklaces that she came with are super cute. And of course, I love the little fanny pack. I happen to love fanny packs myself. So overall, definitely, I would give this doll a 99% out of 100. So yeah, definitely loving this doll. And if you guys can snag her up, I would definitely snag her up, because there's, you know, rumors going around that she might be retired soon. As you know, some lawsuit against the doll or American Girl because of that doll. So I would definitely snag her up, and if you can afford it, snag two up, one to play with and one to keep in box. If you're able to afford that, I would definitely suggest you doing that before the doll is gone away for good, because I can definitely see that she would be worth something to collectors in the future. So yeah, very, very good doll. And also, guys, while I have you here, I did get a little delivery from American Girl, and what I got was, as you can see here, is Courtney's sleeping bag set, which is something I've been waiting on for a while now. It was on back order forever, and I finally was able to snag it. I can't wait to open it up and actually put my Courtney in it. I mean, I absolutely love Care Bears. In my vintage toy collection, Care Bears is one of my #1 collectibles. I have a lot of them, vintage, new in box, out of box, and different merchandise, from the more the modern ones that come out now to definitely the original 80s ones. So yeah, definitely loving the Care Bears themed and the licensing that went in with this Care Bear sleeping bag set. And then of course I did pick up the sparkling gem set, which you saw Luciana wearing in the previous picture, the silver one with the little dangly blue heart. The sparkling gem set was on like the last sale or the last clearance or whatever on the AG website. I picked it up for $6. So yeah, the bracelet set's really cute. It matches with a lot of my dolls, the blue, purple, and the silver bracelet. So I was definitely pleased with that, and the price was at $6. You know, can't beat that. So definitely picked that up. So all right, guys, I think that will finish out this little quick video. I hope you enjoyed watching Luciana get totally out of the box and getting a better look at her and my few little recent pickups. I do have another package that hopefully should be here pretty soon from American Girl. I'm definitely excited about this, and it's some of the new collection that just came out. So I'm very excited to get a new package hopefully soon from American Girl, and of course I will be showing you guys that as well. So thank you so much for tuning in, and thank you so much for supporting my channel and supporting me. I know I'm a small channel, but I would definitely like you to subscribe and push the notification bell and like and comment and all that stuff that all the other YouTubers say, that I guess I'm obligated to say as well. So thank you so much for taking your time to watch this short little video, and I will catch you guys on the next one.